9:15 a.m. We're out here a little bit late this morning. Had quite the late night, woke up late. Just got done feeding the animals. But as soon as I walked out here, that was all about getting hit by the overwhelming smell of wildfire smoke. And yeah, we have quite a lot of it in the air. Phew. I mean, this is heavy. This is the worst that we have ever gotten hit with wildfire smoke. I mean, wow. And yeah, quite heavy to breathe. There's light up here. Has a nice little type of coloration to it. It's too bad I didn't get out here earlier this morning, but I mean, and this air is just saturated with smoke. Kind of a strange angle to the sunbeam output this morning. Kind of taking notice of that, but you can see all this smoke out here. But I got up very late this morning, feeling quite rough, to be honest. But yeah, our skies are just completely whited out with the addition of yeah. And I'm out here breathing this stuff in. Not good at all. Air quality is very bad right now. I mean, like I said, when I first walked out here, it hit me like a slap to the forehead. Just wow, whammo. So, just a little bit more here in the way of seeing what we've got going on. And we'll go ahead and go back up here momentarily to this greater light. You know, I don't even think that I watched last night's content that I posted. Right around a half hour in length, give or take, whatever. I thought it was a pretty darn decent compilation of sky recordings, sky observations. Wow, this stuff is heavy. So yeah, I have not had the opportunity to see any weather updates because of my rather late awakening this morning. And there's not much to be seen other than what I'm showing you as far as this smoky air out here. Basically how it's affecting the light. Sounds like we have a small engine aircraft buzzing about someplace. Yeah, this is very difficult breathing out here. So I guess we shall leave off with this and consider it good enough for our little update to wildfire smoke here in western, or yeah, I'm still waking up, people. Wow. Yeah, our update to the smoke in the skies here in Michigan. Wildfire smoke. Anyways, Skyway's out.